Did you know that some of most profitable businesses in 2026 will not be online businesses but small manufacturing businesses? Yes, many entrepreneurs today are making thousands of dollars every month by producing simple every product like tissue paper, paper bags, and Agabati. Most of these businesses can start with low investment, simple machines, and huge market demand. So, in this video, I will show you 5 profitable manufacturing businesses idea for 2026. For each business, we will look at investment required, machinery needed, why the demand is growing, and profit margin. We will talk about who should start this business. So, make sure you watch this video until the end because business number 5 has one of the highest profit in manufacturing industry. If you want to learn about the business idea, entrepreneurship, financial success, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's start with our first manufacturing business idea. Business idea number 1. Our first business idea is the fruit and the vegetable dehydration business. This business involved removing water from fruits and vegetables so they can last longer and be sold as healthy dried snacks. So let's talk on the investment required for this business. To run this business, you can start with around 2,000 US dollar and 5,000 US dollar, depending on the size of your machine. So, what are the machines required to run or to start this business idea? This business idea requires only 3 machines. Number 1. The machine number 1 is food hydrator machine. Business number 2. Machine number 2 is cutting equipment. Machine number 3 is packaging machine. So why the demand of this business is high? Today, many people prefer healthy snacks instead of junky food. Dried mango, banana chips, dried apples, and vegetable are becoming very popular in supermarkets and online stores. So, why this business is more profitable? The profit of this business can be between 30% to 50% depending on your packaging and branding. Now, who can start this business? This business is best for farmers, is best for food entrepreneurs, and is best for small investors. It is also great for people living in agriculture areas. So now let's move on business idea number 2. The second profitable business idea is called Agabati manufacturing business. Agabati manufacturing business, also known as increased sticks, are used daily in many homes, temples, religious places, etc. So it requires the investment also. You can start this business with around 1.5 thousand US dollar or 3,000 US dollar. So what are the machinery required to run this business? So to start this business, you need 4 machines. Machine number 1 is Agabati making machine. Machine number 2 is powder mixing machine. Machine number 3 is drying spare machine. Number 4 is packaging materials machine. So why this business has a high demand? Agabati is used every day in many countries, especially in Asia. This means the demand is stable and continuous. It is a profitable business because the profit margin can range from 25% up to 40% and above. So now, who should start this business? This business is suitable for small entrepreneurs, family businesses, and rural industries. So now, let's move on business number 3. Our third business is tissue paper manufacturing business. Tissue paper is used everywhere, as you might know, in home, restaurant, hotel, offices, or hospitals. Everywhere tissue paper are needed. So to run this business, to start this business, it requires some investment, some cost. The cost of this business can range from 5,000 US dollars to 15,000 US dollars, depending on the machine capacity. So what are the required machine to run and to start this business? So you need, if you want to start this business, you need the 4 machines. Machine number 1, tissue paper making machine. Number 2, welding machine. Number 3, cutting machine. Number 4, you need packaging equipment machine. So why is this business has a high demand? Due to better hygienic awareness, tissue paper consumption is increasing worldwide. So the profit also can reach 20% to 35%. So who should start this business? This business is great for medium investors, wholesale suppliers, entrepreneurs targeting supermarkets. So now let's move on business number 4. Business number 4 is the paper bag manufacturing business. This business, as you might know, with many countries banning plastic bags, paper bags are becoming a huge business opportunity. To start this business requires an investment. There is a cost. What is the capital to start this business? To start this business, you need the capital with all of 2,000 US dollar up to 7,000 US dollar. You need also to buy some machines. Machine number 1, you will need paper bag making machine, printing machine, and cutting machine. So why the demand is high? The government and the companies are promoting eco-friendly packaging, which makes paper bag extremely popular. It is a profitable business because the profit margins can reach 30% to 45%. Now, who should start this business? This business is ideal for young entrepreneurs, eco-friendly startups, and packaging suppliers. Now, let's move on last business. Business idea number 5. Our final business idea is the petty bottle and the jar manufacturing business. These bottles are used for water, soft drinks, cooking oil, cosmetics, and cleaning products. Investment required for this business. To start this business, you need a capital which is high. So the business requires high investment around 20,000 US dollar and 50,000 US dollar, depending on the machine capacity. So what are the machines required? Machinery required are petty blow molding machine and injection molding machine. You need also bottle molds. You need air compressor machines. Why the demand is high? Every beverage company and packaging company need plastic bottles and jars. So it is the profitable business because the profit margin can reach 40% or more with large orders. So who should start this business? This business is suitable for serious investors, of course, manufacturing entrepreneurs, and packaging companies and suppliers. So, these were 5 profitable manufacturing business ideas you can start in 2026. Some require raw investment, while others require a huge investment. So, the key to success is choosing the right market, maintaining product quality, and breeding strong distribution channels. Now, I want to ask you something. Which of these 5 manufacturing business would you start? Which of these 5 manufacturing business idea would you start today? Let me know in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business idea and entrepreneurship tips. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Lot of love. Bye bye.